Learn how to make a super easy flannel infinity scarf using just half a yard of fabric. This is actually super easy and is a perfect project for beginner sewists who want to make something that they can actually use in their daily life. You can download the free pattern for this by following the link in the description below. It's really just a long rectangle though, so all you need is 15 to 18 inches of fabric. Sew the short ends of the scarf together with right sides together so that you make a loop. Now, this is optional, but I recommend making a felled seam. So this is a seam that it'll hide the raw edges, so it makes it a neater seam and also makes the scarf a little bit more sturdy and more likely to last a long time. So for a more finished look, turn the seam allowance under. Think of this kind of like hemming the seam allowance so that the raw edges don't show. So fold it under and then sew it in place. After that, you just want to hem both sides of the scarf. And you're already finished. You have a cool new flannel infinity scarf for this autumn season.